10 interesting facts about boiler. 1. Boilers weren't always for heating our homes. Believe it or not, the earliest forms were more like toys, dating back to Heron of Alexandria in the 1st century. But the real deal, the practical boiler, emerged in the 17th century. 2. Fast forward to 1679, and we meet Denis Papin, a Frenchman who designed the first boiler, the safety valve. This was a game changer. Early boilers were made of wrought iron, but as we crave higher pressures and temperatures, steel became the go-to material. Modern boilers? They're crafted from alloy steel to withstand extreme conditions. In 1867, George Babcock and Stephen Wilcox patented a boiler design that placed tubes inside a fire brick structure to generate steam. Talk about innovation! 3. Now let's get into types. Boilers mainly come in 2 flavors, fire tube and water tube. In fire tube boilers, hot gases pass through the tubes, heating the water outside to create steam. They're easy to install and operate, making them perfect for small buildings and even steam locomotives. 4. Water tube boilers, on the other hand, send water through the tubes while hot gases circulate outside. These were developed in the early 20th century, when steam turbine generators demanded higher pressure and temperature steam. And hey, we can't forget fuel. Boilers can also be categorized by what they burn: gas, oil, or even electricity. 5. So, how do these things work? Boilers heat water by burning fuel, whether it's gas, oil, or electricity. The heated water turns into steam or hot water, which then travels through radiators or underfloor heating systems to warm your space. What's cool is that most modern boilers don't even bring the water to a boil. 6. Boiler systems are closed loops, recycling water to avoid waste. Efficiency is key, right? Older boilers operated at around 56–70% efficiency. Modern ones? We're talking upwards of 90%. Condensing boilers? Take it even further by recovering heat from exhaust gases. Standard boilers have a thermal efficiency of about 85%, while condensing boilers can hit 92–95%. Boiler efficiency is measured by annual fuel utilization efficiency, or AFUE. An AFUE of 90% means 90% of the fuel energy goes to heating your home, and only 10% escapes through the chimney. 7. To keep your boiler humming, regular maintenance is a must. Check for leaks, corrosion, and proper water levels. Test those safety valves regularly to ensure they're working right. And in winter, watch out for frozen pipes. If you're leaving home for a while, keep the thermostat above 12°C or 55°F. 8. Safety first. Boilers handle high-pressure steam, combustion gases, chemicals, moving parts, and hot surfaces. To prevent explosions, never exceed the designed pressure. Operating a boiler with low water levels, or suddenly adding cold water to overheated surfaces can be catastrophic. Here's a surprise: even though boilers use water, they don't increase indoor humidity. Because the system is closed, water doesn't escape into the air. 9. Let's compare boilers to furnaces. Boilers are more energy efficient because water transfers heat better than air. They also provide cleaner heating by not blowing dust around, and tend to last longer. Modern boilers are awesome. They keep your indoor air clean and reduce pollution outside. Plus, with automated control systems, you can adjust the temperature in each room independently. 10. Boilers don't actually boil water, at least not in the modern sense. And they don't waste water. They reuse the same water in a closed-loop system. So, there you have it, 10 fascinating facts about boilers. Hope you found it interesting.